This is Zach from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, the 5th of May. Starting off with APC Technology, and after a few false dawns, it can be seen how we're still in the aftermath of this island reversal for February-March, gap through the 50-day moving average at 8.68 pence, and just trying to break the 200-day line, the key resistance at the moment around the 9.5 pence level. Weekly close above the 200-day line should be enough to take the shares up to the top of this broadening triangle as high as 13.5 pence over the following couple of months or less. Next stock up is one of the sort of small mining contingents, Eurasian Minerals, just breaking through the 200-day moving average now, 0.45 pence. That should give us a retest of 0.8 pence, which is the main resistance that we've got over the past year. Stop loss back below the 50-day moving average at 0.39 pence. On to BMR, and here we can see that it's been a decent attempt at breaking to the upside. The shares gave us a vertical push through the 200-day moving average in March. That should have kept going really, but obviously we had the gap down back through the 20-day moving average, and we're back down at the 200-day moving average level. That's at 4.15 pence. Above that, one would give the shares the benefit of the doubt, but probably given the recent history, you'd want to wait for an end-of-day close above the 50-day moving average at 4.67 before taking the plunge on the long side. The upside target, best case scenario, up to 11 pence, which is the top of that October rising trend channel. If you're more cautious, maybe go for the November resistance line projection at 8 pence. Once or if we break that 50-day line at 4.67. Going on to stock which don't look at that much, but DJI Holdings looking pretty good, or has looked pretty good on a technical basis. The progression within this broadening triangle from early last year, we're nearly at the top of the target there, or towards the target there. Probably give it up to about 100 pence, which would be a sort of slightly revised resistance line projection, while there's no end of day close back below the 10-day moving average at 74 pence. Exciting at the moment, given we're just breaking that old resistance from last year in the end of April, beginning of May, through 80 pence, and also this is a V-shaped bull flag breakout. So there should be another 20 pence or so for the shares on the upside. EKF is next. Here it's been a very slow situation, but steady, I suppose, in some ways, in the sense that we've had these higher lows come in since the beginning of the year. You can probably put that support line there to just around the 10.5 pence level. Probably want to see here end of day close or end of week close above the 50-day moving average at 11 pence, so we're nearly there on that. Bounce for the RSI as well, and the RSI window is helpful. So above 11 pence, back up to 14 pence as an initial target over the course of the rest of May. Goldstone Resources, obviously there's already been the big move here over the recent past, sort of seeing whether we can shed any further light on this situation. Probably looking for a target towards the 6 pence level as a best case scenario. Any dips towards 3.5, 4 pence regarded as a buying opportunity. That 3.5 pence was the resistance zone in June last year. Finishing off with an old favorite, Sula, and here we've got a situation where it looks as just about to come good for the bulls over the next few weeks. Still in this sort of triangle formation from November. We want to see the top of the triangle and the 50-day moving average at 0.2 pence broken on a weekly close basis, though before assuming that we'll get a decent upside towards 0.25 or 0.3. That's it for me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.